These aren't your everyday cookies. These are healthy nut and seed cookies.
Oh my gosh, these are so good.
I'm going to share with you today how to make these amazing cookies here. It doesn't take many ingredients, and there's so many health benefits. And this is all part of the Healthy Snacks 24 collaboration. So let's get started. And here's what you're going to need. Going to need some pumpkin seeds, almonds. It's better if these nuts are raw. Chia seeds, some maple syrup, and unsweetened coconut flakes. Yeah, I'm doing this part after I already made it. You can see I already used the rest of it. But this is the ingredients that you will need to make this. I'm going to start with a half a cup of almond slivers, a fourth of a cup of pumpkin seeds, a fourth of a cup of flaked coconut, a tablespoon of chia seeds, two tablespoons of maple syrup, all right, now we're going to go ahead and stir all this up and get it all well coated by the maple syrup. While I'm stirring these, I'd like to share with you some of the benefits of almond and pumpkin seeds. Almonds are known for lowering cholesterol as well as a risk of heart disease, blood sugar, lowering your fasting insulin and increasing insulin sensitivity. It's great for your skin, provides UVB ray protection. It also lowers your inflammation. And pumpkin seeds are great also, rich in magnesium, containing healthy fats and fiber. And it's a great men's seed because it increases male fertility and it's great for prostate and bladder health. It also promotes heart health, antioxidants, and reduces risks of some cancers. And now on back to the making the cookies. All right, now we're going to get these put onto a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. All right, so here we have them. You want to make sure that you kind of press them down onto the parchment paper. We're going to put these in the oven at 340 degrees and cook these for about 15 to 20 minutes. And here they are. While I show you these great cookies, I want to take the time to thank all of the channels that participated in this collaboration. And the Healthy Snacks 24 collaboration is full of so many great ideas and great videos. Go down, check out the playlist in the description box below. Make sure you leave a comment on each video to be entered in the drawing for the $50 grand prize gift card giveaway. And then we're giving away some other things on there too. That's going to be on June 6th at 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Mountain Time. Hope you all will join us. And now back to the video. Oh my gosh, these are so good. So good. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to watch all of the Healthy Snacks videos. I'll see you on the next one, and until then, keep your joy, folks.